Qatar's state-owned energy firm, Qatar Energy, has declared force majeure on long-term liquefied natural gas contracts with 4 countries, including Korea, after Iran's missile launches last week knocked out 17% of its export capacity.
카타르의 국영 에너지 기업인 카타르 에너지는 지난주 이란의 미사일 공격으로 자국 LNG 수출 용량의 약 17%가 타격을 입었다며 한국 등 4개국과 맺은 LNG 장기 공급 계약에 대해 불가항력을 선언했습니다. Right, so we're going to have to look at this word, force majeure, which obviously isn't English, but it is used widely in law, in legal terms. What does it mean? Let's start off with that.
Yeah, so force majeure, it is French, I believe, and majeure, I think, sounds like major.
Yeah.
And force, like you're using power, right? So this has, like, as you mentioned, in terms of law, this has the meaning of being able to sort of back out of a contract, or basically for unforeseen reasons. You had a contract or a promise with someone or an organization, but because of circumstances, you're basically putting a hold on it or you're reneging on the contract, essentially.
Yeah.
And, if, like I said, when you hear the word force major, let's say, to maybe simplify it. It kind of sounds like, hey, like there's like this major force, there's nothing I can do about it. This like the situation, I'm sorry, sort of kind of feel that you could kind of gain from it.
그래요. 이게 원래 불어에서 온 표현이고요. 직역을 한다면은 superior force 아니면 greater force 이런 뜻인데 불가항력입니다. 법률 용어예요. 그래서 이대로 영어에서 사용을 하게 되고 뜻은 이제 천재지변과 같은 그런 피할 수 없는 상황들, 불가항력적인 상황을 얘기하고 있죠. 지금 현재 전쟁 상황을 카타르에서 이렇게 보고 있는 겁니다. 그래서 이제 LNG 공급에 대해서 불가항력을 선언했다. Normally in contracts, there is always, a line or some sort of part in the contract saying, in the case of force majeure, then blah, blah, blah. And that's the exception that is applied. And that's what's happening right now.
Unforeseen circumstances. Like if there are unforeseen circumstances, then this happens.
맞아요. So there was probably, I'm sure, a clause in the regulations regarding LNG supply from Qatar. And they are now saying this is now the case.
Yeah. It's just, the way that they originally drew the contract up, they had these obligations, and not just to Korea, by the way, several other countries.
Yep.
And because of this unforeseen circumstance, who saw a war coming? And because of that, they're saying that at least for now, we're not going to be able to provide you with the energy that we had agreed upon.
Yep.
They're saying that it might take up to 5 years to repair some of the damages to the facility. So it might be a while. And Korea is going to have to figure out a way to find their sources, LNG support sources from somewhere else.
그렇죠. 보통 이제 이렇게 불가항력 상황이 되면은 그다음에 이 계약을 위반해도 불이익을 받지 않죠. 왜냐하면 어쩔 수 없는 상황이기 때문에 그런 상황이 지금 닥친 겁니다. 그래서 한국, 중국, 이탈리아, 벨기에에다가 카타르가 이렇게 불가항력을 선언했습니다. So even if you violate some of the terms, it's not because you wanted to, it's because of the circumstances.
Yeah.
So there's not going to be,
Penalties.
penalties exactly on Qatar's part. Let's also have a look at the word knocked out.
Knocked out in this particular case, we're talking about something that is no longer usable. And when we hear knockout, the most common place we're going to hear it is actually in sports, I would say.
Boxing?
In boxing,
Yeah.
So a knockout is when you hit your opponent and he is no longer standing, he falls to the ground, and if he's absolutely knocked out, then he can't get back up. So he's unconscious and cannot perform. So so he's not usable in the same sort of way.
그걸 뭐 KO 승이라고 하나요?
Yeah,
그죠?
exactly. So KO, sometimes we call it a TKO if the referee gets involved and stops the fight, and we call it a technical knockout. So it can be called a TKO as well. And there are other times that we'll use knockout. So as an example, a person can be a knockout. Like if a woman or a lady is very attractive,
Yeah.
you might hear, "Whoa, she's a knockout."
She's very attractive.
Yeah. So, you can hear it like that as well. But yeah, I think the most common way that we tend to use it is in boxing.
그래요. 완전히 몸을 움직이지 못하는 그 상태가 됐을 때 우리가 knocked out라고 얘기를 하는데, 자, 여기서는 뭐라고 하고 있냐면은요, Iran's missile launches knocked out Qatar's LNG export capacity. 그래서 LNG 수출을 못하게 만들었다라는 뜻이 되겠네요.
One other way that it's just slightly different, but there's also knocked up. So
Okay.
a person can be knocked up, meaning that if you're pregnant.
Yeah.
So sometimes, you'll hear, oh, hey, like she's knocked up, is that she's expecting.
It's very slang though. It's,
Yes.
Yeah, informal. 그래요. 그럼 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. Qatar's state-owned energy firm, Qatar Energy, has declared force majeure on long-term liquefied natural gas contracts with 4 countries, including Korea, after Iran's missile launches last week knocked out 17% of its export capacity. Now let's move on to the next headline.